How to clear search sessions on Instagram app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can clear your search sessions that you get on Instagram. Now, what I mean by clear search sessions or search sessions is if you open up the Instagram app and head on to the search option at the bottom of your screen, you'll find varieties of sessions here. Now, some of these might be quite annoying and may not be of your interest. Now, you'll not particularly get an option to remove all these sessions, but what you can do if you don't like a particular session that you get is tap and open up the session that you got and then tap on the three dots option along with the post, and here you'll get the option not interested. Simply tap on it and the post or the session will be removed, as you can see, and you'll get less of such post sessions. So this way you can clear search sessions on Instagram app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.